Environmental monitoring, through the Internet of Things, represents one of the most critical applications of connected technology today. By deploying sensor networks across various environments, we can track air quality, water quality, and weather conditions in real time. These systems provide vital data for understanding pollution levels, climate patterns, and environmental health. IoT-enabled monitoring helps governments, scientists, and communities make informed decisions to protect our planet and public health. Environmental Internet of Things refers to the use of connected sensors and devices to monitor, measure, and analyze environmental conditions continuously. These systems collect data 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, providing real-time insights that were previously impossible to obtain. The technology allows for remote access from anywhere in the world, transforming raw sensor data into actionable insights through advanced analytics. Perhaps most importantly, these networks can detect pollution events early, often before they become widespread problems, enabling rapid response and mitigation. Air quality monitoring is one of the most widespread applications of environmental IoT sensor networks. Track key pollutants, including particulate matter such as PM2.5 and PM10, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, ozone, and volatile organic compounds. These monitoring systems provide critical health protection by alerting vulnerable populations during periods of poor air quality. They also enable pollution mapping, helping identify hotspots and track pollution sources back to their origin. Additionally, these networks serve as early warning systems that can predict and prevent air quality emergencies before they impact public health. Water quality monitoring through IoT sensors tracks several critical parameters essential for environmental and public health. These include pH level, which measures the acidity or alkalinity of water, dissolved oxygen levels that are critical for aquatic life, turbidity, which indicates water clarity and sediment levels, conductivity that reveals dissolved salts and minerals, and temperature, which affects chemical reactions in water bodies. These monitoring systems are deployed in rivers and lakes to track ecosystem health, in drinking water systems to ensure safety standards compliance, at industrial sites to monitor wastewater treatment, and in coastal areas to detect ocean acidification and protect marine health. IoT weather monitoring networks measure a comprehensive range of atmospheric conditions. These include ambient air temperature, wind speed and direction, humidity or moisture content in the air, precipitation levels, including both rainfall and snowfall, barometric pressure changes that indicate weather patterns, and solar radiation, including UV index and sunlight intensity. Beyond immediate weather forecasting, these networks provide invaluable climate change insights. IoT weather stations collect long-term data for climate research, helping scientists track patterns, predict extreme weather events, and understand global warming trends with unprecedented detail and accuracy. Environmental IoT sensor networks operate through a four-step process. First, data collection occurs as sensors continuously measure environmental parameters in their location. Second, data transmission happens when wireless networks send this information to cloud servers using various communication protocols. Third, data processing takes place where artificial intelligence and advanced algorithms analyze the collected information to identify patterns and anomalies. Finally, the system delivers actionable insights through dashboards and alerts that inform decision-makers, enabling them to respond quickly to environmental changes or pollution events. Several key technologies enable effective environmental monitoring. Sensors are specialized devices including electrochemical, optical, and thermal types that measure specific parameters with high accuracy and reliability. Connectivity is provided by wireless communication protocols like LoRaWAN, narrowband IoT, Wi-Fi, and cellular networks that enable long-distance data transmission with low power consumption. Power systems including solar panels, lithium batteries, and wind generators ensure operation in remote locations without grid access. Finally, cloud platforms from providers like Oz IoT, Azure IoT, and Google Cloud IoT offer scalable infrastructure for data storage, processing, visualization, and machine learning analytics. Environmental IoT is already making a significant impact across multiple sectors. Smart cities use urban environmental monitoring for traffic management, pollution control, and citizen health alerts, with examples like the London Air Quality Network. In agriculture, precision farming uses sensors to monitor soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels for optimal crop yields through smart irrigation systems. Industrial compliance relies on continuous emission monitoring to ensure factories meet environmental regulations, using technologies like stacked gas analyzers. Marine conservation efforts deploy ocean monitoring systems to track coral reef health and marine pollution, with notable implementations at the Great Barrier Reef. The benefits of environmental IoT are substantial and far-reaching. Real-time data access provides instant information about environmental conditions from anywhere at any time. The technology is cost-effective, reducing manual monitoring expenses while improving operational efficiency. Precision measurements eliminate human error, ensuring accurate data collection. Automated alerts provide immediate notifications when environmental thresholds are exceeded, enabling rapid response. Trend analysis capabilities allow historical data to reveal patterns and predict future conditions. Perhaps most importantly, these systems enable global impact by contributing valuable data to climate research and environmental protection efforts worldwide. Despite its promise, environmental IoT faces several challenges. Data security remains critical as systems must protect sensitive environmental information from cyber threats. Sensor calibration is an ongoing concern as devices must maintain accuracy over time despite harsh environmental conditions. Power management presents difficulties in ensuring long-term operation in remote locations. Finally, data overload challenges organizations to process massive volumes of sensor information effectively. Looking to the future, innovations promise to address these challenges. Artificial intelligence integration will enable predictive models for pollution and climate events. Edge computing will provide faster local data processing and decision-making. Blockchain technology may offer transparent and tamper-proof environmental records. Most ambitiously, global sensor networks aim to provide worldwide coverage for comprehensive environmental monitoring, creating an unprecedented understanding of our planet's health.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.